Nylon brushes. Types, uses, and benefits. This guide contains all the information you need to know about nylon brushes. You will learn more about topics such as what is a nylon brush, how nylon brushes are made, types of nylon filaments, types of nylon brushes, and much more. Chapter 1. What is a nylon brush? Chapter 2. How nylon brushes are made. Filament selection and types. Handle materials and configurations. Brush manufacturing techniques. Staple set method. U-shaped staple method. Bar anchor method. Epoxy or resin set. Twist-in wire brushes. Single spiral and stem 2 wire brush. Single spiral double stem 4 wire brush. Double spiral and stem 4 wire brush. Strip brushes. No handle, direct mount, and power tool brushes. Choosing the right nylon brush for your application. Chapter 3. What are the types of nylon filaments? Nylon 6. Nylon 6.6 or 66. Nylon 610. Nylon 612. Nylon 11. Nylon 12. Frequently asked questions. What makes nylon brushes a preferred choice for industrial and commercial cleaning? How do abrasive and non-abrasive nylon filaments differ in application? What are the main types of nylon filaments used in brushes, and what are their advantages? What manufacturing methods are used to make nylon brushes for different industries? Which nylon filament is best for wet or humid environments? Chapter 4. What are the types of nylon brushes? Scrubbers for floor machines. Cylinder brushes. Wheel brushes. Cup brushes. Twisted and wire brushes. Strip brushes. Hand brushes. Chapter 5. What are the uses for nylon brushes? Uses for nylon brushes. Abrasion. Washing. Cleaning. Application. Polishing. Static eliminator. Pipe cleaning. Conveyors. Wood distressing. Cribbing brush. Chapter 6. Industries that use nylon brushes. Industries that use nylon brushes. Aerospace. Agriculture. Firearm. Glass processing. Military. Weather stripping. Electronics. Printing. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right nylon brush manufacturers for your needs.